Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get the body of the cow attached to the head. We're gonna do this by turning the head upside down, the snout pointing away from you. And we're gonna be adding this directly to the bottom of the head. So for the cow, we're gonna be working between rows 6 and 8. I know that the cow ears were crocheted in place in row 8. So I know that between rows 8, 7, and 6, this is where I'm working. You want to put your stitch marker right in the center. So that is going to be the center of the head as well as the center of the rows. Again, this is row 6, 7, and 8. While the body is worked in crochet hook 8, we are going to be crocheting it in place using the hook 7. It's a lot easier to crochet into the head using the same hook size that you used for the head. So I'm going to go ahead and take my yarn. Okay, so we're gonna stitch in place. Okay, and I'm gonna start my circle. So I'm gonna start along the bottom, 1, 2, and then I'm gonna start working my way up to the next row, which is 3. And back up again, 4. I'm gonna start rounding my circle, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now I'm going to start working down. So I'm going to go down a row for stitch 9, down a row for stitch 10, and I'm going to start bringing my circle together on the last 2 stitches. So I'm going to go 11, and 12. Once you've completed your 12 stitches in the head, you're going to want to make sure that you change to your size 8 hook, as that's what we'll be completing the rest of the body with.